And good morning Facebook, how are we today? Another video from bright and sunny Cheshire. It's not bright, it's not sunny, and it's actually pretty cold. Not Baltic today, just cold. I've got my fingerless mitts on. It's yeah, it's not a very nice day at all, but hey ho, at least there's nothing falling out the sky. How's your hump day going? So yeah, what have we got going on in the workshop today? Well, not a lot. Nice easy week this week. We've got, let me show you, but spin the camera around. We had Thunderbird 5 in yesterday. We're doing a couple of little videos on that for social media. Got a little Toyota over there with an intermittent park distance control problem. Parking sensors keep going off. We thought we'd nailed it on Friday. We had one of our members in, Phil, giving us a hand, and we found a trap loom. But unfortunately, Monday morning, back to how it was. So we've got to get to the bottom of that. I think the dash is going to have to come out of that. I think we've got loom issues behind the dashboard. So hey ho, that's what that. And we've got Bumblebee in. A little yellow Renault Twingo. Been here with us a while now. It's been here since well before Christmas. Came in on a low loader as a non-runner. We've been that busy, I've not really been able to put any time into it, so I thought, you know what, today I'm going to push it in and we're going to have a look at it. But as you can see, it's running. So the non-runner is now a runner. What's going on there then? Perhaps all it needed was a bit of a rest over Christmas. Oh well, we best get stuck in. So I'm monitoring live data now using the Autocom icon. So I've got it on icon there. We've got it running. I'm just monitoring battery voltage, RPM and stuff like that. And what I'm waiting for is, even when it cuts out, do I lose communication with the engine? This is what I'm waiting to see. So a bit of an initial first look. We're getting it warmed up, and we'll see whether we lose comms. If we do, then we're looking at power supplies. If we don't, then we might be looking at something else, another input that's missing. But yeah, so an intermittent fault. Absolute time vampires they are. But hey ho, that's the nature of the beast. It's not all plug it in and the computer tells you what's wrong with the car. No fault codes on this, no nothing, so no clues. We're starting from scratch. Whatever you're doing today, have an awesome hump day. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.